Hey, I was just calling to say that it had nothing to do with you. You didn't change. It was me. I changed. There was nothing you could have done to make me stay. There was nobody else. I left for myself. It's just that, how do I say this? One day things didn't feel the same. I felt myself drifting away like it was all me. I still care for you. I want the very best for you, but I could no longer be there for you. I just wanted to clear the air for you. I understand you hate me. I never imagined that I'd say this to you. You have to know, though, that I didn't plan for this. I never meant to hurt you.
To be advised, we just received a report of a speeding vehicle heading east on Harbor Road. I need a unit to clear and head up that way. You got anything else on that call? Caller didn't get a good look at the vehicle. We will try to get that to you shortly.
Soon as enough, Scotty.